Have you ever wondered how to become a millionaire? A question that may seem daunting, yet holds the key to unlocking a world of wealth and financial stability. The first and most crucial step to reaching this pinnacle of prosperity begins not with your bank account, but with your mindset. Our mindset determines our reality. It's the lens through which we view the world, and it's the blueprint that guides our actions. When it comes to the quest for financial success, cultivating the right mindset can often be the difference between a life of abundance and a life of scarcity. Imagine for a moment a garden, one that is meticulously tended, where every seed is planted with intention and every plant is nurtured with care. This garden, much like your mindset, is the fertile ground from which your wealth can grow. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to believe that it's possible. You may think that sounds overly simplistic or even naive, but consider this: every self-made millionaire, every magnate of industry, every titan of commerce, once stood where you are standing now. They dared to believe in their potential and relentlessly pursued their financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is another cornerstone of the millionaire mindset. These goals are your roadmap to wealth, guiding you along the path to prosperity. They offer a clear vision of what you want to achieve and provide you with a tangible target to aim for. But remember, these goals should be more than just numerical values or monetary milestones. They should resonate with your personal values, align with your lifestyle, and reflect your ambitions. They should inspire you to push beyond your comfort zone and challenge you to reach new heights of financial success. When you approach wealth creation with the right mindset, when you nurture your financial garden with belief and clear goals, you are setting the stage for a future of abundance. Remember, wealth begins in the mind, so start dreaming big. The second step is to educate yourself financially. A fundamental step towards becoming a millionaire in the coming year is understanding the basic principles of finance. You need to grasp the concepts of investing, saving, and budgeting. Investing is about making your money work for you, while saving is about setting aside a portion of your income for future needs. Budgeting, on the other hand, is about managing your money wisely so you don't spend more than you earn. Now, where can you learn about these topics? There are countless resources available to you. For starters, there are numerous finance books written by industry experts. There are also online courses and podcasts that cover a wide range of financial topics. Even engaging in financial forums and discussions online can be a great learning experience. Remember, financial education is a lifelong journey, not a destination. The third step to becoming a millionaire is to save and invest your money wisely. This step is pivotal in your journey to wealth. It's like creating a nest egg, but instead of just sitting there, it's working for you. That's right, your money can earn money. So how do you start? Begin by adopting the principle of paying yourself first. This simply means that before you pay your bills, buy groceries, or splurge on that latest gadget, you set aside a portion of your income for savings. This is your money for your future. Now that you've set some money aside, what do you do with it? You invest it. But where? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your investment should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment knowledge. For beginners, mutual funds or index funds could be a great starting point. These are essentially a collection of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They're managed by professionals and spread across a wide range of companies, which can help minimize risk. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you could delve into individual stocks or real estate. However, these require more knowledge and time to manage effectively. For those who are risk-averse, there's always the option of bonds or high-yield savings accounts. They might not have the highest returns, but they're safe and steady. Regardless of where you choose to invest, the key is to start early and invest consistently. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small amounts can grow into substantial sums over time. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small but gets bigger with each roll. So to recap, pay yourself first, invest early and consistently. Diversify your investments based on your goals and risk tolerance, and most importantly, educate yourself. The more you know about your investments, the better decisions you can make. Remember, the key to wealth is to make your money work for you. The fourth step is to diversify your income. Ever heard of the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? It's a timeless piece of wisdom that applies perfectly to income diversification. You see, relying on a single source of income is like walking a financial tightrope. It's risky. Imagine having multiple streams of income, each flowing into your financial pool. It's like having a safety net. If one stream dries up, you're not left high and dry. You have others to keep you afloat. Now, how can you create these streams? Well, there are countless ways. You could invest in stocks or real estate, start a side business, or even write a best-selling book. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and passions, something that doesn't feel like work. Then, put in the time and effort to make it profitable. Diversification is not just wise, it's essential. The fifth step involves networking and finding mentors. As we traverse the path to wealth, we mustn't underestimate the power of relationships. The people we surround ourselves with can significantly impact our journey. To put it simply, if you're in a room filled with successful people, their mindset, their drive, their wealth of knowledge, all seep into you, influencing your own outlook and strategies. There's a saying that goes, "Iron sharpens iron." This is particularly true when it comes to fostering a millionaire mindset. Associating with those who have achieved what you aspire to can lend you their wisdom, their experiences, and possibly their cautionary tales. They've walked this path before you, and their insights can help you avoid pitfalls and expedite your journey towards financial freedom. But how do you find these successful people? This is where networking comes in. Attend conferences, join relevant online communities, participate in workshops, or even engage in local clubs or groups. Make an effort to meet people who are where you want to be. Show genuine interest in their journey and learn from their experiences. However, networking isn't just about taking, it's about giving too. Offer your skills, your time, your knowledge. Build relationships based on mutual respect and benefit. Remember, successful people are often looking to give back, to mentor the next generation of achievers. This brings us to the next crucial part, finding mentors. A mentor can provide guidance, open doors, and offer invaluable advice. They can be a sounding board for your ideas and a source of encouragement when the going gets tough. Whether it's a successful entrepreneur in your field, a savvy investor, or a wise business leader, having a mentor can significantly influence your journey to wealth. In conclusion, the company you keep can shape your path to becoming a millionaire. Surround yourself with success, and it will undoubtedly rub off on you. Seek out mentors who can guide you, and don't be afraid to learn from the best. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. The sixth and final step to becoming a millionaire is persistence and patience. In the pursuit of wealth, it's tempting to seek quick fixes, instant gains, and shortcuts to success. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are millionaires. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistency, endurance, and the ability to keep going when things get tough. Let's consider persistence. It's about staying the course, not wavering in the face of challenges. It's about embracing failures as lessons, not setbacks. It's about refining your strategies, not abandoning them. Think of it as a river, constantly flowing, carving its way through mountains and valleys, until it reaches the ocean. That's the power of persistence. Now let's talk about patience. It's the ability to wait for your investments to bear fruit, to let your wealth grow over time. It's understanding that wealth building isn't a race, but a journey that unfolds at its own pace. Just like a tree doesn't grow overnight, your wealth too needs time to flourish. These two virtues, persistence and patience, are like the two oars of a boat. You need both to navigate the river of wealth building. If you're persistent but impatient, you might give up too soon. If you're patient but lack persistence, you might not take the necessary action to move forward. Remember, every millionaire has faced challenges, doubts, and failures. But what sets them apart is their ability to persist, to stay patient, and to keep their eyes on the prize. It's not about how fast they've reached their goal, but about how they've stayed committed to it, through thick and thin. So, cultivate persistence and patience. Stay focused on your financial goals even when it's hard. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint, and every step you take, every challenge you overcome brings you closer to your goal. Persistence and patience are the keys to long-term wealth. With these virtues, you are not just on the path to becoming a millionaire. You are on the path to becoming a resilient and enduring millionaire.